What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, we got another week underway. And so do me a favor, guys. If you're ready to make some money this week, let me know down in the comments below. Also, do me a favor. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Help this video get at least 1,000 likes. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, something I need you to be on the lookout for anytime you are in the market and you are trading, okay? Whenever you see this right here, okay, if you see two candles and they have two wicks coming from them, that equals that the market is going to go down, okay? On reverse, if you see this and the wicks are to the downside and they're even with each other, that equals, and that lets you know that the market is going to go up, okay? So again, on your journey, if you see a candlestick and it's going, and then you see this and then this, you should now know the next move for the market is down. And same is true to the downside. If you see this, a big candle here, and then you start to see this, then you know that the stock is getting ready to go to the upside. Listen, guys, I just wanted to go over that quick lesson for you, because in the market, it is oftentimes trying to talk to you and give you clues. The candles are just pieces of information, and the sooner you guys learn that, the sooner that you guys will embrace reading and mastering the charts, okay? Everything happens for a reason in the market, and there are no coincidences, okay? So when you see a candlestick moving, when you see a boom boom candle, when you see a wick come out of a candle to the upside or to the downside, it means something. It's information, guys, and I need you to start looking at them as signs that you guys can take advantage of and ultimately make lots of money of when you spot them. And then the quicker you learn to spot them, the quicker you can make the right decision to get on the right side of the trade. And guys, that's how you begin to change the landscape and ultimately change your life. So listen, I want to kick Sunday night's video off with a quick lesson that I want you guys to write down, take note of, and then guys, remember this, apply this when you see it. And if you see it tomorrow even, make sure you take advantage of it. Because the market is at a top or near a top or all-time high, you may see the two candles with the wick to the upside, which will means reversal and that the stocks are coming down. All right, and when you see that, go ahead and take advantage of it and do me a favor, knock it out the park. Okay, guys, I hope that was helpful, man. I hope that added some value onto your knowledge base for this upcoming week and just your journey in general, guys. But listen, today I want to talk to you about a stock that I'm going to be buying another 100 shares of, guys. I always tell you, I'm always in pursuit of my 125 shares, and then once I get that out the way, guys, I check that box off, and then I'm headed for 1,000 shares. And so this is just my road to 1,000 or more, but I just want to always give you guys something to shoot for, okay? And so in this particular play, guys, the SQQQ, okay, is sitting at 1564. All right, now at this level, I have to love it down here if I liked it at 16, 17, and 18. Does that make sense? These are the levels you want to get in at, and then you want to, again, take this to $18, $20, and $23. Remember, I always say, always know your three levels of resistance to the upside: 18, 20, 23. At 23, you need to sell if you didn't sell at those other levels, okay? Do not overstay your welcome in this when it gets up there, all right? And then you rinse and repeat when it comes back down to this level. Now check this out, guys. It was at 1615, and 1652 is resistance, the 1650 level. Let me just be a little more precise, okay? You guys know I like to be spot on in this game. So listen to this. For some quick plays, if you don't want to hold it and you say, man, it might be a while before we get to 23, write this down: 1564 to 1650. That's a short-term swing trade. You buy the shares, you sell it there. Still a hell of a gain. Okay, guys, I want you guys to just be mindful. Now, you can always, like I do, once I get my 1,000 shares, I might sell 500 at 1650, and then if the market keeps running, I might let the other 500 run to 20 or 18 or 22. Okay, if it comes back down to this after I sold at 1650, I'll just repurchase another 500 shares and rinse and repeat the process. Okay, guys, keep this game simple. Let no one complicate this game for you. Okay, and then guys, really quickly, we'll be keeping an eye on the SPY this week, ticker symbol SPY, otherwise the S&P 500. This one hit a new level, 460.59. So write this down, guys. We are going to be monitoring whether or not we hold this level. Yep, 458 was heavy resistance. Okay, we got to 458. We had a battle at 458, kept getting knocked down. 456, 457, 453. We finally got to and through that level. Now we're just getting at and trying to establish ourselves at 460. So check this out. You need to see if this level holds. Okay, if it doesn't, it was a false breakout. If it do hold, then you know we have more upside potential and room for this to head to 463 and then 466. Okay, however, I want you to take it one day at a time, one level at a time, and your job tomorrow is to see, can we hold, meaning close 2 days in a row at or above 460. Okay, but now check this out. Support will be down here. Now it was 456 and 453. Now it's going to be 458. Okay, so what was once resistance turns into support. So now look for initially the $2 range. We couldn't get through 458. Now we're going to use 458 as support, and the new range will be 458 to 460. You guys can make life-changing money in that $2 range. But when it breaks out of 460, I want you guys to be prepared for takeoff, okay? And trust me, be in the Discord first thing in the morning, because we will knock this out the park. But in addition to that, I will give you guys the levels in real time of where this will go on tomorrow, both to the upside and to the downside, okay? If that sounds good to you, make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And check this out, guys. If we lose 458 and 457, which are now support levels, guys, we're going to go right back to revisit those previous levels of support, like 453. And if we lose 453, then you'll see that open the door for like 451. But again, you don't have to worry about those until that first level of support is broken. All right, keep the main thing on this journey. Okay, keep the game simplified. Listen, guys, we got a jam-packed week. We're gonna have CPI, we're gonna have other economic news coming out that will move the market, that will cause volatility. So therefore, I want you guys to embrace everything that comes with it. Be ready to make money in both directions. Be ready to be flexible and nimble, and pivot when you have to. This game is all about being flexible. Okay, so with that being said, guys, make sure you're in the Discord first thing in the morning. Link for that is down in the description below. Listen, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.